Okay, Nicole, so I'm going to show you here exactly how to link up your Mac site to your blog and your dashboard. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is come on down to where it says Socrates here on the bottom left hand side. And what you want to go to is navigation. So you click on navigation, and once you do that, it will take you somewhere like this. Now here on top navigation above header, you can just click no to not display that. What you do want is to make sure that you click yes here on the primary navigation below the header. So here you're going to most likely, I mean here you can see that I have a bunch of different pages, but what you want to start with is that home page. So the first title here you should just put home and the forward slash with nothing there. Okay, so that'll just be your home page. You can choose if this is a new window or not, if you want them to go to whatever site you're going to be sending them to on the same window, then you would just leave that alone. So in this case, for most pages, you don't want to click that. So your About page would probably be number 2, and all you'd have to do here, okay, so that's important, you have to create the page first. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that, but you want to put the title here and then put forward slash, the URL is forward slash about. Pretty straight up. Now let's say that one of these you wanted to put your Mac site. So let's say maybe you wanted to call it local or something here on the title. Over here, the URL, you would just type HTTP, okay, so just like here, use HTTP colon two forward slashes, and then put the actual name of your Mac site. Okay, so then you'd put you'd put that right here, and then you'd probably want them to open that in a new window so they can go there without leaving your blog site. So then you would want to click something here. So it's pretty straight up, pretty simple. That's how you would do that. Now to create a page, you just have to go here to Pages and you click Add New. And once you do that, so let's go in there. I'm just going to go to some of my pages here. Let's say my About page, and I created this page by going to the main little admin center here. I'll get there in just a second. It's kind of going a little slow, but that's okay. Alright, so here you're going to be able to name your page, okay, and that's the name that you're going to be putting on that navigation menu that I just showed you. And you're going to just come in here and add in whatever it is you want. It's pretty much like using a word processor. You can put images if you want. You can do anything like that. Now, if you want to add, let's say, a YouTube video, okay, all you have to do is go here where it says Visual and HTML. All you have to do is go to HTML. That's going to show you some coding. Okay, it's going to break it all down. All you have to do is find where you want to put it. So let's say you want to put your video at the very top. You would just get your embed from YouTube. Okay, and I think you know how to do that. If not, let me just show you really quickly. So you go to YouTube, and any video that you want to show on YouTube, they always give you the option to embed things. So let's say, okay, I want to get this video right here, and let me put pause so it doesn't go on. Okay, so all you have to do is go to embed, and it's going to show this coding right here. This coding you want to copy, and this is the coding. After, of course, you know, you could, if you want a border on it, if you don't want a border, you can see here it'll change depending on what you want and how big you want it, and so on and so forth. What colors you'd like it to be, if you do have a border, you know, and so on and so forth. So you can do all sorts of stuff to make it different. But that code is what you're going to want to put in here, and you just have to make sure it says HTML before you do that, because it won't work on the visual page. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to check really quickly if there's anything else that I'm missing here about what you asked. I showed you how to make the pages, how to upload video, and how to connect your site. Okay, so I think I answered all your questions, so hopefully that was helpful. And I hope you're creating a beautiful day, and we'll be talking soon. Ciao!